route to Rome, we decided to make a stop in San Lorenzo Nuovo, in the heart of the Tuff area, which was once home to the Etruscan civilization and now hosts the Fattorie di Maremma dairy farms. The dairy farms saw our guests involved in an unforgettable tasting of authentic regional aromas, such as Pecorino Toscano PDO. The milk used to make this unique cheese hails exclusively from sheep that have been reared in protected areas of ancient Etruscan origin, extending from Tuscany to Lazio. The nearby Lago di Bolsena provides the perfect backdrop for our guests' final lunch at Gio Risto Cantina. The chef's menu is based on locally sourced fish from the lake with slow food Presidia tastings.
I mean, the whole experience has been amazing, more than I ever could have imagined.
This whole few days has been a huge experience, and it's been a wonderful experience.
There is a song called I Left My Heart in San Francisco. In my case, I left my heart in Umbria.
Italian food as a part of the Mediterranean diet really does address what we should be eating on a day-to-day basis. I think it's a wonderfully healthy food.
You don't need to overcomplicate things. Simple ingredients, a few ingredients, fresh, local. That's all you need to make an amazing Italian dish.
You cannot cut corners in life, and in Italian food you cannot cut corners. Quality over quantity.
You know, there's many words that you could describe Italian food, but I'm going to say regional, especially on this tour across Umbria. I mean, from a city to another, you're getting trout, you're getting pork, you're getting cheese, you get truffles. There's so many different ways of cooking.
I have to say I have enjoyed every moment. Everything that I have seen with my eyes have been as much of a feast as what it has been for my palate.
Intense schedule, intense experiences, intense flavors. It was simply intensively amazing.
Returning home with the flavor of a truly authentic experience amidst territories and traditions that have transformed Italian agro-food products into a unique and valuable heritage to be cherished and protected, so that these delicacies can delight the palates of future generations.